Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 5.2.10 and we're going to configure the host and interface on a switch. So you are in the process of configuring the branch 1 switch. Use the show CDP neighbor detail command to find the IP address assigned to the fast Ethernet 0/0 interface on router SFO. In this lab, your task is to configure the switch with the following parameters. IP address is going to be 192.168.11.250. Subnet mask is going to be 255.255.0. Configure the switch to use the fast Ethernet interface on the SFO router as the default gateway. Save your changes to the startup config file. Okay, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's start up. So open terminal, and in the terminal we want to type in en, press enter, and you type in show CDP neighbor detail, press enter. So go ahead and type in config space T, you press enter, and int space VLAN space 1, and you press enter. So go ahead and type IP space ADD, stands for address, space 192.168.11.250. So impute space, and we are going to impute the subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0, and we'll go ahead and press enter. Then we're going to type in no space shutdown, press enter. Then we're going to type this, you press enter. Then we'll go ahead and type copy space run space start, press enter. Okay, so I'm going to move this over to this area. We'll go over to the SFO. So in the SFO, we want to press enter and type EN, enter. Then we're going to type in config space T, then you press enter. I'm going to type INT space FAO /O, press enter and type in IP space default space gateway space .168.11. So we have 254. So press enter. Then this Z and press enter. Then I'm going to type in copy space run space start and press enter. So let's scroll up and see what is left for us. So we have to set the default gateway address, and we also have to save the changes. So let's go ahead and